What's up guys, this is Blessa May Bautista. Today I'm going to teach you a Flutter step-by-step guide. First, create a project. And next is type on your command prompt cd and then your file name to open the project folder. And after that, open your project folder and create a path name, asset, and images. After creating a path, put your image inside the image folder. After that, go to your command prompt and try running it. In this part, choose 1 to 3 where you want to open your project. Wait for it until it's done syncing. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.